Hi guys, I'm Susan from Masterclass Workroom. I hope you guys are holding up out there, keeping yourselves occupied and nice and safe. I decided to put together a little project that you guys can easily do at home. It's a little paper orb. It's this fun, super textured little sphere. It can be just a little thing that you keep on your table, or you can actually make it into an ornament and put a hanger on it. So I will take you through the steps, but there's a downloadable PDF on my website in the blog section, and you can just print it out and use the printer paper to make this piece, or I will show you how to use some art paper if you have that available at home. Okay. All right, let's get started. So this is the PDF that is available on the blog. You'll need to print out 2 of these because you'll need to cut out 12 of these stars. It's pretty self-explanatory. The only thing I'd like to point out is that these interior lines here, you want to make sure that you cut those and cut all the way to the end. Those are going to make the little slits that will allow you to assemble this little orb. All right, so just get started cutting. I like to roughly cut out 1 at a time, so it's just a little bit easier to handle. Now if you have some art paper at home, I'll show you how you can use this as a template and just tape it to the back, because if you tape it to the front, you don't want to lose any of the nice design on the front. So you'll just use little circular pieces of tape. And you're ready to start cutting out. Okay, so when these are done, the tape should just easily release. And you've got your 2 stars. Okay, so now I have all the pieces cut out. Don't need the tape anymore. And if you want to do the kind that has a little hanger on it, I'll show you how to do that. But if you don't, you can just skip through this step. Just take one of your pieces, cut out a little tiny piece, doesn't matter what size. This is just to reinforce it, so when you put the thread on, it doesn't blast through it. A little glue, of course it's being difficult. There we go. Just kind of pop it in the center there. Then load up a needle and thread. This is a thread that's a little bit stronger, but any thread really will work. needle through, approximately in the middle, and it falls out. And then put it back through a different hole. Leave a decent loop there. Just tie these two ends together. Make sure you don't pull the loop too far. Just put another dab of glue. Snip those off. And then just cut another piece of paper. Do that like that. All right, so now let's put this together. So just line up the slits. So I'm doing one on each of these tabs. And then you'll hook it to its neighbor. Oops. You can see it's starting to take shape here. This is the last one I'm going to put in on this original piece. And it has two neighbors to be hooked to, so I'll do that side. And now, I'll bring this back out. And hook it right there. So you're halfway done. So then I just flip it over. All right, so this is the final step. As you can see, there's two tabs on each of the remaining pieces. Now you'd think it'd make most sense just to line it up like that, but you're gonna do it askew so that this kind of V of this pentagon kind of fits in this V. So just start putting it together. voila, it's all done. So you need to just kind of go through and get all the slits lined up, but see, this one's a little bit off, so just kind of get that, convince it into place, and there you go. So if you notice, this is bigger than this one. You can have some fun by just reducing or even enlarging the PDF. Just make sure that you're reducing it or enlarging it proportionally, because they have to be the right shape. If you're just doing it from one angle, it'll distort it and it won't go together very well. So here are your little orbs. They're really quite delightful, aren't they?